Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest film interviews, features, and recommendations on the movies that matter. Everyone loves a good cameo, and when done smartly, it can be the thing that people remember about a film even years later. Aishwarya Rai grooving to Kajrare with Amitabh and Abhishek Bachchan in Bunty or Bubbly might well be the gold standard for cameos in an item song. Shah Rukh Khan advising a young actor played by Farhan Akhtar about relying on his oldest friends for honest advice in Luck by Chance was another masterstroke. And few cameos are written into a script as cleverly as Amitabh Bachchan playing a fellow passenger assigned the airplane seat next to Sridevi in English of English.
ये तुम्हारा यूएस में पहला ट्रिप है। पहली बार एक ही बार आता है और पहला अनुभव बहुत स्पेशल है। So enjoy.
But genius cameos are often the result of shrewd planning, months of cajoling, and magic on the set. Here's the inside story on 5 popular films and how they landed or lost some A-list cameos. First up, Andaz Apna Apna.
Excuse me, क्या मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ?
Juhi Chawla sportingly cameoed as herself in dream sequences visualized by Aamir Khan's Amar.
हाय ला, जूही चावला.
Who imagines the movie star falling for him after he gives her a ride to her set when her car breaks down.
क्या हुआ?
He imagines their romance blossoming. He gets possessive when he learns she's doing too many films with Sunny Deol. And he turns up on set one day when she's shooting a romantic scene with Govinda.
Action! गले लग गया.
Except that it was never meant to be Govinda in that scene. Turns out the film's director Rajkumar Santoshi, who'd already made Ghayal and Damini with Sunny Deol, had originally written that scene for Deol, but the actor got held up at his chartered accountant's office and couldn't make it to the set in time. Santoshi revealed that he then sent word to Govinda, who was shooting nearby, and wrote him into the scene instead. Govinda strolled across and did the scene in the same costume he was already wearing. As simple as that.
अरे सुनो, तुम इतने खूबसूरत नौजवान हो, फिल्मों में ट्राई क्यों नहीं करते? बस मुझे कई ऑफर आए हैं, बड़े-बड़े डायरेक्टरों के, लेकिन मैं चुन रहा हूँ कि
Next, Om Shanti Om, or should we just call it the film that's bursting at the seams with cameos?
माँ भी यही कहती कि मैं जरूर हीरो बनूंगा.
अबे केशव मुखर्जी की माँ भी उससे यही कहती होगी. अच्छा, माँओं के तो दिल ही कुछ ऐसे होते हैं यार.
Watching Farah Khan's Bollywood set saga of romance, reincarnation, and revenge was like playing a game of Spot the Movie Star. But it was for the film's 8-minute plus celebratory title song that Farah and her star producer Shah Rukh Khan truly pulled out every stop when it came to packing the frame with famous faces. As many as 30 actors cameoed in the song. Everyone from Dharmendra, Jitendra, and Mithun Chakraborty to Salman, Sanjay Dutt, and Saif. But believe it or not, there were still a few they'd have liked to add. Farah revealed that none of the Bachchans could make it because they were deep in preparation for Abhishek and Aishwarya's wedding. When she asked Aamir if he'd do it, hoping to pull off a coup with the top 3 Khans in the same frame, Aamir reportedly gave her a detailed explanation that if he did stop by to shoot his cameo, it would upset the entire post-production schedule of Tare Zameen Par. The big miss, she said, was Dilip Kumar. Shah Rukh assured her he had convinced Yusuf Saab to do it. She jokes that she's still waiting for him to show up.
Picture abhi baki hai mere dost.
Now here's the story on Ki and Ka.
मैं अपनी माँ जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ.
Excuse me, कौन थी तेरी मॉम यार?
She was a housewife.
क्या?
Writer-director R. Balki wasn't showing off that he had connections in high places when he wrote Amitabh and Jaya Bachchan into his script about an unconventional arrangement between a married couple played by Arjun Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor who'd switched traditional gender roles in that she went out to earn the bread and he chose to care for their home.
कैसा पति है तू? एक अबला नारी को जालिम दुनिया में रोजी रोटी कमाने भेजते हुए शर्म नहीं आती?
At the point in the film when Kareena's go-getter begins to resent her husband's overnight popularity as a new age man, what better parallel than the Abhiman couple?
आज Women's Day है. Sit with your woman and listen to this boy.
If you still didn't catch it, the script had Mrs. B expressly corner her husband when she asked him if he'd have given up his career to take care of the kids so she could continue to act.
हाँ बिल्कुल, अगर ये तुम्हारा सपना था.
एक गिलास पानी तो बॉईल कर सकते नहीं कर सकते.
Then, in a hilarious follow-up scene, Mr. B gives Arjun the side eye and the cold shoulder while his missus praises him for being such a progressive gent.
मैंने क्या बिगाड़ा था तेरा? 4 दिन लेक्चर सुनना पड़ेगा. इंशाद कर पैदा मारो.
Let's move on to "ए दिल है मुश्किल."
मैं किसी की जरूरत नहीं, ख्वाहिश बनना चाहती हूँ.
At one point in the film, we see Ranbir and Aishwarya's characters, Ayan and Sabah, run into her ex-husband Tahir at an art gallery. And who might that be? Why, Shah Rukh Khan, of course, who romanticizes the beauty of one-sided love in that scene.
एक तरफा प्यार की ताकत ही कुछ और होती है. और रिश्तों की तरह तो लोगों में नहीं पड़ती.
But did you know that the cameo was originally written and in fact shot with Saif Ali Khan playing Sabah's ex? The scene was meant to be a double date. Sabah and Ayan meeting Tahir and his new squeeze for dinner. Tahir's date, as it turned out, was Ayan's hysterical ex, played by Lisa Hayden. The scene was originally written and played for comedy, but director Karan Johar decided after shooting it that it might work better if played emotionally. So enter Shah Rukh, exit Saif.
अगर बाजी इश्क की बाजी है, तो जो चाहे लगा लो. डर कैसे?
And finally, let's talk about Jagga Jasoos.
बगीचे में कुछ फूल देर से खिलते हैं, मेरे वर्ड्स भी सो के निकलते हैं.
Over 3 years in the making, plagued with budget overruns and a script that reportedly existed only in the director's head, this whimsical adventure had been reduced to a punchline by the trade. Written off even before it had wrapped filming, the makers knew they needed something bold and exciting and unpredictable at the end, so the audience had something to talk about as they left the cinema. That's how the idea of a two-headed villain was born. Ranbir Kapoor, who was set to play Sanjay Dutt in the controversial actor's biopic, offered to rope in Dutt to cameo as the villain. Dutt was happy to do it. But according to industry sources, Dutt was contractually obliged to make his first screen appearance after serving his jail term in a T-series produced film and was expressly forbidden by the studio to do the cameo in Jagga Jasoos. The role eventually went to Nawazuddin Siddiqui, but like the film itself, the cameo too didn't make much of an impact.